Where would you like to put the bunny?
It's sleeping.
Yeah, where do you want to put him? Anywhere you want.
Can I stay here?
Can you stay here?
Yes.
No, you have to go home. No, don't put him on the carrots. That's a good place. Look at that. We're going to leave him there once we put him on. Can you put that pink egg on?
Yeah.
Don't put him on top of anything. Oh,
Good
that's
job.
Wonderful. Put a little pink egg. Can you put the little pink egg on? Oh, good job. Nope, that stays there.
What's that?
That's just a decoration. Here, you help me do it. It has to line up with the orange part. Good job.
Look at all those pretty decorations.
Who put those pretty decorations on?
Did you like decorations?
Uh-oh.
Are you okay? You need a checkup.
He needs a checkup. Guess what? I got some Band-Aids already.
His blood pressure.
His what pressure?
Blood pressure.
His blood pressure.
This pressure.
Blood pressure.
The blood pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Does he feel better?
No.
No.
He does.
He does? Does it? I feel better. So much better. Whoa, be careful, be careful. I think if you squeeze the back, it interrupts the song.
Stop, wake up.
You should go wake her up. I put the helicopter down. Go wake up Nini.
Time to wake up, Nini. Wake up, Nini.
Say it louder.
Wake up, Nini.
Oh, you need to shout it.
Who you have, Nini?
What do I have?
Yeah.
Where?
Who you there?
Oh, your
Who you
Band-Aid.
have there?
The Band-Aid?
You got booboo.
Hey, boo.
Can you give it a kiss?
But it looks at it.
Sure. That guy's a double high five.
Wow.
Thanks.
Kind of sounds like a toilet flusher.
I can help you. 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 Swing it. There we go. Swing it in the air. No, I gotta help you. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Roll, boat, down, three. I can do rolling boat.